In this lesson you will learn how to say the, a, and some in Spanish. Articles or words that are placed before a noun, a person, animal or thing. The articles in English are, the, a, and some, and both in Spanish and English there are two types. Definite and indefinite articles. The definite article. In English there is only one definite article. The. In Spanish there are four and they are the following.
El, la, los, and las.
El is used with singular and masculine nouns. La is used with singular and feminine ones. Los, with plural and masculine or masculine and feminine nouns, at the same time. And las, with plural and feminine nouns. Articles in Spanish indicate the gender of the noun they accompany. Masculine or feminine. And the amount. Singular or plural. Remember that Spanish nouns, unlike English ones, have genders. They are feminine and masculine nouns, so to know which one to use you need to learn their genders by heart. When you learn a new word don't forget to pay attention to its gender. Let's now see some examples with sentences containing the definite article.
El niño.
The boy. As explained in the chart, you must use el because niño is a masculine singular noun.
El cielo.
The sky is a masculine singular noun.
La niña.
The girl. Niña is a feminine singular noun.
La flor amarilla.
The yellow flower. Flor is a singular feminine noun. Other examples are
los niños.
The boys.
Los niños y niñas.
This one refers to both male and females, that is why we use los.
Las niñas.
The girls. As you can see, we apply the rules of the chart above and use the articles with the noun to which they correspond by gender. Masculine or feminine. And amount. Singular or plural. Now, let's talk about the indefinite article. Indefinite articles are the words we use to say a, an, and some in English.
Un and una
mean the same thing but, un accompanies singular and masculine nouns. And, una accompanies singular and feminine nouns. The plural form of uno and una are unos and unas. Both mean some.
Unos
accompanies plural and masculine or masculine and feminine nouns at the same time. And
unas
accompanies plural and feminine nouns. Examples are
un pastel blanco, a white cake, un gato, a cat, una naranja, an orange, una camisa, a shirt, unos zapatos, some shoes, unos niños, some children.
In this case, both males and females are included, that is why we use unos. That's it for today's lesson, but you can find a written version with more examples on our website, transl.com. The link is on the description, along with a link to exercises for you to practice what you learned today. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language lessons.